This conference will now be recorded.
Friends, we will discuss the market movement of 21st Friday 2020. Okay, so first we go to the US dollar. Hello, are you listening? వినిపిస్తుందండి?
మీరు మైక్ ఆన్ చేయలేరండి.
మైక్ ఆన్ చేయలేదా? ఆన్ చేశానే. వినిపిస్తుంది కదా? చెప్పండి. చెప్పండి.
తను నవీన్ అండి. తను
ఓకే ఓకే, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ నవీన్, ఆర్ యు దేర్?
హలో అండి.
మనం ఇక్కడ ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, అంటే మనం రెగ్యులర్ గా ఇక్కడ
This conference will now be recorded.
So 1 second, I will tell you. See, market, whenever its market opens below the previous day VWAP, when it was sloped up previous day, and next opens gap down below the previous day's VWAP. Previous day VWAP is here at 75 rupees 7 paise, whereas market opens 5 paisa below the previous day's VWAP, that is 75 rupees 2 paisa. So you must sell here, short selling you have to enter here and wait for the downward target. Short sell, you sell at 75 rupees 2 paisa, and the target is first down. This is first down is the significant volume 74 rupees 95 paisa, and you have to wait for the second confirmation. Second confirmation is here, under 74 rupees 91 paisa, but you can wait for furthermore because of little volumes and target. You can wait for the target of previous one more previous day, another VWAP. Next chances it has come down, so here it has increased the volume. See this is something like second corner. So twin corner pattern is developed some sort of, so that you must exit here. This is the price you are supposed to exit. Exit point is 74 rupees 88 paisa. Okay, let us take it 74 rupees 90 paisa. Around that, you enter the trade at 75 rupees 3 paisa and gain the 13 paisa profit out of this. Okay, this is a very good profit for the US dollar. Okay, we'll go to the other counter right now. This is the zinc. This is the commodity segment counter. Oh, this is a U-turn yesterday from the top. This is a daily chart. So each candle is 1 day. Okay. Yesterday zinc opened, on Friday, zinc opened at 197 rupees 75 paisa. Day high recorded 199.30 paisa, and day low 190 rupees 75 paisa, and closes at 193.55 paisa. Day low is it hit the low 13 days moving average. This is a day chart. This is 13 days moving average. It moved down to the extent of 13 days moving average. Okay, we'll go to the intraday. What happened, and we'll discuss about that. See this chart. This is the previous day close was here at 197 rupees 20 paisa. At the opening, there was a gap up with the significant volumes. Look at here, volume first up move, and it culminated, completed into the pattern of double spread. Can you find Sushant, double spread here? This is a double spread. So end of this candle, this end of the double spread here in this candle, you must take a short sell here around 199 rupees 10 paisa 20 paisa and wait for the down target. Okay, let us see this, what is going on here. It's a move down and below the 13 average and stopped at 34 average, but you can still wait because there was a double spread, and you can wait for the further confirmation so that it started moving again. And in this process, this moving down below the previous day's wave. This is very important. So once it is moving down below the previous day wave, you must hold the position for a further down. సుశాంత్
వింటున్నా
అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది? ప్యాటర్న్ డబుల్ స్ప్రెడ్. ఓకే, క్లియర్. This is the pattern, double spread pattern. You must sell here. Wait for the down move. Down move started. It's a moving down below the VWAPs. See, this is VWAP. So that means you must wait for the further down. Whenever it's moving down below the VWAP, you must wait for the further down. So you should not confused with these volumes, but even at this volume you exit, again you have to enter the short at the moving average. Suppose this is oversold situation. Okay, let's say for example, by this is second confirmation, first third time it is moved down, and just to exit, even you exit here because it is below the previous day moving average, and another moving average also is here, almost it's below the average of the previous 2-day moving average. You must hold the position, or on the recovery again you must short here. That's very important, very very important. Because see, if you go to the daily chart, it is moving towards the formation of eagle top formation, eagle top pattern. Okay, this is eagle top, isn't it? Understand?
అవునండి.
Moving towards, moving, because it's coming down means it's moving down to into the formation of eagle top. Okay, so when it's moving so that when it's moving down below the previous two VWAPs, you must hold the position for the target of, this is in the day chart, target of 13-day next, very next on the daily chart, very next support level is 13 days moving average. Just simply put the target this one, and get the huge gain out of this. Okay, this is the target. This target is 191. Simply place the order at 191. Okay, okay, let's see what happened in intraday. Intraday, it's moving started. Say once it is moved down below the moving average, it could not penetrate above the, I mean, intraday moving average. So just if you even exit here, simply sell again at the near the moving average and hold the position for the 13 days moving average on the daily chart. 13 days moving average is 191. It is achieved here 191. Okay, 191. So ikkada actually it has achieved within the intraday. So look at here, 191. It's a very good pattern. We discussed about this pattern earlier. నీ క్లారిటీ వచ్చింది కదండి?
అవునండి, తెలుస్తుంది.
Crystal clear. You must. This is the fantastic target. See this target. What the target is? 191 to 191 means 8 rupees. 8 rupees means per lot will make a profit of 40,000 for a single lot. This lot size is 5,000 zinc lot. With the single lot, target is 40,000. Investment is, I think, 1.5 lakh for this. To my knowledge, there's a deposit required for this zinc is this 1,12,000 investment carry forward will make a profit of within a single day. Intraday made a profit of 40,000. So you have to clearly understand this, how it generates, what are the characteristics about this pattern. You have to repeatedly understand. This is a repeated pattern. This is very important pattern. Okay, that's all about this zinc for the day. And we'll go to the silver. Next counter is silver. Silver on the daily chart. So recent past, this sideways movement yesterday, this opened up and moved down below the previous day's candle, small doji candle. It's opened at 68,397 and a day high recorded 68,900 and a day low recorded 65,200. That's the difference is 65, 68. It's more than 3,500 high low difference, and closes at 67,067. That's what happened in the intraday. We'll go to the intraday 50-minute chart. This is, see, intraday. See, this is opened here. Previous day, on the previous day, there was at the fag end, there was a sharp recovery. See, look at here. Can you find this? These are two candles. Last half an hour, there was sharp recovery before the close of the market. So that next day opens the gap up. Gap up, that gap up range is previous distribution zone. This is the resistance zone. This is, see, this previous high was here, and previous V ups are here, another V up is here. So it is opened with the near the at the resistance zone. This is called the resistance zone. It opened at the resistance zone, and some significant volume took place at the open itself. See this, at the open itself, there was a significant volume, so that distribution started. Okay. See, it may be difficult initially, first 1 hour, it may be difficult to get a decision, but wait for the, see, if you are smart enough, you can sell after this second top. See, this is something like, it's just we discussed about one pattern, that is something like double spreading. This is also something, some sort of double spreading, and some of the eagle top formation is here, so that in the second candle, end of the second candle, this candle, third candle itself, you can take a short and hold the position for the down target. Okay, you have to sell here, or at least after this third candle, third top. Otherwise, wait for the down move below the VWAP, and on the recovery to the VWAP, you have to sell. So you might not be clear enough to take a position, short position here, so that we'll have the better chance after coming down on the recovery to the VWAP. There was a recovery to the extent of VWAP, because there was a oversold red candle, so that there must be recovery. You have to wait for the recovery to the extent of VWAP. This is very important. You must sell here. This is a zero risk point for taking a position and wait for the down target. Okay, this is 68,520. You must sell here and wait for the downward target. Okay, let us see what happened in the later on. They started moving down again, and below the moving average, 34 moving average, and holding above the previous day VWAP, so that you can wait for the down move. Why you can wait? Say, after coming down, there is the narrowed movement, low volumes, but unable to move above the moving average. Justly hold on to it. Just to hold on to it. Once it comes below the VWAP, it will fall down to the heavy fall. It will be automatically recorded. Say, earlier also I have seen in the zinc also. Say, there was a continuous fall, because it is break down moving average. I mean, previous days VWAPs, they are continuous. Like that, here also you must wait. In this, in this silver also you must wait. Once it comes below the VWAP, there must be heavy fall. See this. Earlier also it took place heavy fall. Here also somewhat higher dimension. You can find down move. Sharp fall there will be recorded. Once it moves below the VWAP, that's very important. When it is moving down below the VWAP, you must hold the position for the free fall. See this, there was a free fall took place to the extent of, this is to the extent of 65,200. See, you enter the position here. So first chance is this one, but it may not be clear, and you may not be in a position to take a decision. But here, you should not lose the chance of taking a shot at a 68,500 and move down to the 65,200. At least you can exit at around 65,500. Why? Because we have to exit. This is one of the support levels. See, previous supports are here, so that before that you have to exit. Because after looking at these huge volumes, see, this is a candle generated another formation, another pattern called twin corners. This is the first corner and this is second corner, twin corner formation. At the end of twin corner formation, this is the end of the downfall. Sushant, అర్థమైంది కదా? ఇక్కడ
అర్థమైంది.
సెకండ్ కార్నర్ వచ్చింది. సెకండ్ కార్నర్ వచ్చిందంటే దాని అర్థం డౌన్ మూవ్ అయిపోయి అప్వర్డ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. అక్కడ ఎగ్జిట్ అయిపోయి మళ్ళీ ఫ్రెష్ లాంగ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ట్విన్ కార్నర్ డబుల్ స్ప్రెడ్ సెల్లింగ్ కి ట్విన్ కార్నర్ జస్ట్ ఆపోజిట్ ప్యాటర్న్. యూ మస్ట్ బై హియర్. You must exit the short and buy fresh buy. Fresh buy also you can do here because the huge perfect twin corner pattern is here. See this first. Okay, this is the day highest volume also. So that you must exit the short position, make a fresh buying. Down move made a 68,500 short and exit 68,500 is here and down to the 65,005. This is the 3,000 points. At this stage, you made 3,000 points about the from this counter. And again, there's a pattern called twin corners generated here simply by because there's a huge volume. This volume is more than double that of the previous red candle volume. You must enter the long also here at the lowest point 65,500 and wait for the minimum of VWAP. So it's automatically it moved near to the VWAP and exit here. Again 1500. Down move is 3000. Up move is 1500 points. Immediately it is given again correction and move to the extent of because it won't allow to be down. That అర్థమవుతుంది కదండి?
అవునండి అర్థమవుతుంది.
క్రిస్టల్ క్లియర్ అన్నమాట. ఎంత క్లియర్ గా ఉంది చూడండి. ట్విన్ కార్నర్, సెకండ్ కార్నర్, వాల్యూమ్ హౌ మచ్ క్లియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సింప్లీ బై హియర్. ఇక్కడ క్రిస్టల్ క్లియర్ గా సెల్లింగ్ కనిపిస్తా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా బయింగ్ కనిపిస్తా ఉంది.
అక్కడ డబుల్ స్ప్రెడ్, ఇక్కడ ట్విన్ కార్నర్.
Twin corner, perfect. Moreover, this is a perfect twin corner. This is because second corner volume is very high, so that happily can buy fresh position here. Okay. Target is minimum target is VWAP. ఇంకోటి మాల్ నార్మల్ కేసెస్ లో ఇలాంటి ట్విన్ కార్నర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతుందండి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఆల్రెడీ టాప్ నుంచి కింద పడింది కాబట్టి VWAP దా మనం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయాలి. అదే నార్మల్ గా ఓపెన్ అయ్యి ఇలాంటి ట్విన్ కార్నర్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, సబ్సిక్వెంట్ రిజల్ట్ విల్ వెరీ హై. Okay, so you must buy here and wait for the at least minimum target is VWAP. VWAP is down move is 3,000, up move is 1,500. So for each lot, this is a 30 kg lot. You can, that means 3,000 means almost you could make a more than 1 lakh out of this, out of these trades. But investment is present, I think it is 5 lakhs for this lot, silver lot. You can do smaller trades also. Instead of doing silver, you can go for a silver mini. Okay, this is 30 kg lot. That is silver mini means 5 kg lot. Okay, that's all about silver. So all three counts are down. Now we go to the natural gas. There's a wonderful movement yesterday from down move and recovery also is there. See this. Natural gas opened yesterday at 176 rupees 90 paisa and moved high recorded 181.30 paisa and low is 171.20 paisa. Oh, 10 rupees spread intraday and closes at near the top at 180 rupees 60 paisa. Okay. So before this candle, previous there was some sort of this is called eagled up but there is but it's not half finished eagle top. This is okay. Anyhow, there was a down and recovery. So let us see what happened in the intraday. See this. Initially, we'll go to the day chart. Say, day chart, previously it was closed with the down move with the somewhat lesser volume than the previous. So this is the eagle top, half finished eagle top. There was a red candle. So out of the three candles, this is the third candle moved below the previous day's low. That's the important thing. So automatically it would be previous day's VWAPs also. See, this red candle closes below the previous day's low. That means next day fall must continue. Initially there must be fall. It's no doubt out of it, because it is closed below the previous 2 days VWAPs. That's important thing. So if whenever there was such a close, there must be further down move in the next day. That is what happened. See this once again. For the clarity, I'll go to the 30-minute chart. See this is the previous red candle low. Okay, intraday. But closes previous 2 days VWAP is first VWAP is this one, another VWAP is here. See, VWAP is this VWAP is 179.50 paisa, whereas closes 177.70 paisa. Okay. Again, for the clarity, I'll give you one more thing. We'll go to again day chart. This green candles day VWAP was 179.50 paisa. So keep it in mind. And sorry, one second. See, this is the dozy candles 181.30 paisa and 179.50 paisa. Okay, let me clarify once again on the daily chart. Say this dozy's VWAP is 181.30 paisa. Another VWAP, this green candles VWAP is 179.50 paisa. Okay. When third day candle is opens higher and moved up and towards the closes at the low below the VWAP of these two candles. Okay, Doji's candle VWAP is 181.30 paisa and this green candle's VWAP is 179.50 paisa, so that there must be further down move in the next day. So initially we must okay. So whenever you expect the down move in next day in the intraday, so wait for the intraday overbought zone. You must wait for the first initially we are expecting down move after market opens. Market opened here, we have to wait for the intraday overbought situation. We must be waiting for the only sell, not buy. Okay, that's important. Sushant, it's important. క్లియర్ గా ఉంది కదా, అంటే విఆప్ కంటే అంత ముందు రోజు 2 days విఆప్ ని కట్ చేసుకుంటే కిందకి వచ్చి క్లోజ్ అయింది. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇస్ బౌండ్ టు బి డౌన్, దిస్ నో అదర్ గో. ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ లాటర్ అండ్ టార్గెట్ వచ్చినాక రికవర్ కావచ్చు, అది వేరే విషయం. బట్ యూ మస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ ద సెల్లింగ్. ఓకే, వేర్ ఇస్ ద సెల్లింగ్? ఇంటర్డే ఓవర్బాట్ జోన్. సో దే ఇస్ ఓపెన్ హియర్ and the correction moved up here. See this overbought generated at the 34 MA. See this volume, and it changes into the eagle top. Of course, red candle's top is lesser than the previous ones. Anyhow, you happily can sell at this 34 moving average, 34 average moving average is 179, 178, 20 paisa, and we have to wait for the down target. So down target put roughly, you again go to the near to the, you can wait, you can try for this 170 rupees. Okay, you can down target is a 13 days moving guys, roughly is around 170 rupees. Okay, and we have to make estimation up to the 170 rupees. Okay, but intermittently what happens, let us see. You take a trade short position here 178.20 paisa. You are waiting for the down target of 170. So let us wait. Let us see what is happening. Later it's moved down here, moved down up to here. It is started stopping here instead of going 170 rupees. 172 itself it is stopped here and changing into the, what is this called, engulfing. Okay, you entered the 178 rupees sell here, and so when it is started, there is some, this is called, what is this called, this the hammer formation is coming up here, so that you must exit here because of hammer formation. That's important. Of course, volume is less, but some sort of hammer formation is generating here. You must exit at 172 instead of 170 target. You must exit at 170 rupees. Book a profit. 178 and 172. This is a 6 rupees profit out of this. 6 rupees is not, even 2 rupees is significant in this counter. 6 rupees means very high target, and you must exit with the 6 rupees. 6 rupees means per lot you will make a 7,500 rupees profit. For each lot profit is 7,500, and say this investment for this counter is natural gas. Investment required is 62,800, whereas single trade intraday profit is 7,500. Required is this first trade down target is 7,500. See, take a short 178 here and exit because it is generating hammer here, and engulfing is started generating here. First candle leave it. Second candle, when it's coming down and recovering above the previous candle's high, you must exit and try for the long also here. Try for the long exit, short exit, and try for the long here. You can try. ఇక్కడ అర్థం అవుతుంది కదండి, ఇక్కడ engulf అవుతోంది previous candle also is having down shadow, and this candle again moved down below the down shadow and recovering, means you must buy here without doubt. You must buy here. So you buy again, buying took place here 172 rupees 20 paisa, but that sharp up move to above the VWAP, and this is the resistance zone, and moved up to here with the sharp up movements. You have to exit again. See, buy here and simply have to exit because huge volume recording. See this volume. That means, see, there is a huge volume means automatically there is a short covering, and you must exit because overbought. It leads into the overbought. Because it's overbought, you must exit here. ఓకే, అర్థమైంది కదా. ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ అయ్యాం. ఎందుకు ఎంటర్ అయ్యాం? బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద engulfing previous case candles. Moreover, this previous candle also is having down shadow, and this candle is moved down below the down shadow of the previous candle, and recovering means you must buy here at 172 rupees 40 paisa itself, and wait for the target up move. So there was sudden up move to the extent of VWAP, means you have to exit because volumes and resistance zone previous this breakdown, there is a breakdown fall. This distribution zone from here to here, sideways up down. Here it was a breakdown and moved fast, and started recovery here because that means this is a breakdown zone. It's moved up to near the breakdown zone with high volumes, means you must exit once again here and wait for the movement. Next move. Okay. See, sir, next move, next it is moved down, leave it, and moved down, but near to the low of the previous low. That means you can say this is a second confirmation, double bottom. So as good as a double bottom is generated is because it's stopped here. Again, there is the engulfing pattern here. See, this engulfed the previous candle, but still you can try buying here or wait. You can try buying here. Otherwise, again there's one more engulf here. You must not wait. This is the first chance of buying, but the second chance, this is a more powerful chance because the lower side is the high volumes, and the recovery is low ones. Always, I remind you, so low volume engulfing means is the best sense of buying. సుశాంత్ అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ engulf వచ్చింది, recovery lower volumes అయింది. Always I speak about the lower volumes on recovery means that results into the major up move. ఎప్పుడైతే స్మాల్ వాల్యూమ్స్ లో engulf వచ్చిందంటే subsequent result will be very high. That's very important, I tell you. Earlier also ఇంతకుముందు డిస్కస్ చేసిన ఇదే ఇష్యూని కింద పడి వాల్యూమ్స్ హై వాల్యూమ్స్ కింద పడింది. దిస్ హై వాల్యూమ్స్ కింద పడింది, రికవరీ వస్తుంది. పర్టికులర్ these volumes very important. So when engulfed with the lower volumes means subsequent result will be very high. Okay. So what is the result is like this. So you bought the here, position started recovering. So started recovering once already ఇంతకు ముందు వియాప్కి వెళ్ళి కిందకు వచ్చింది కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ టైం వియాప్ దాటి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది ఆటోమేటికల్లీ. ఓకే, సో యూ బై హియర్ అగైన్ అండ్ ఫస్ట్ target should be day high. Previous day high is here at 178.90 paisa. First you sold here. This is the buying point. This is the first sense of buying. This is the best buying point other than this one. This here you may have a little bit doubt, but after completion of this candle, see, first of all, you don't know whether it generates this sort of candle, but you have to take the first position here. But after completion of this pattern, it has gained more and more strength. That's important. After completion of this again second engulf, it has gained on the process of in the process, it has gained more and more strength. It has gained further strength, and wait for the subsequent result. Subsequent result is more than the VWAP, and it's a phenomenal rally. First target is day high. Okay, you can exit at the previous day high 179 or second or the VWAP, previous day's VWAP at least. So in this so by looking at this sort of the rally, you can wait up to the previous day's first target must be a 17. You must wait for the 79 rupees. Should not exit somewhere here. That's very important because it's a double bottom with the double, what is this called, engulf, double engulf. This is a very powerful pattern. Okay, you take a position here 172 rupees 50 paisa and gained again 181 rupees. So previous days VWAP is 181 rupees. Okay. సో డాక్టర్ గారు
చెప్పండి సార్.
ఇక్కడ డౌట్స్ ఏమున్నాయండి?
లేదండి, క్లియర్ గా ఉంది.
క్రిస్టల్ క్లియర్ గా ఉంది. ఎంత క్లియర్ గా ఉంది చూడండి. హౌ క్లియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్.
చాలా బాగా ఇదైంది.
ఇట్స్ వెరీ పవర్ఫుల్ ప్యాటర్న్స్. ఇలాంటి ప్యాటర్న్ మనం ఎలా 80% వదులుకోకూడదు. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే ఈ ప్యాటర్న్ గురించి మనం క్లియర్ గా దానికి కావాల్సిన కండిషన్స్ ఏంటి అని మనం తెలుసుకోవాలన్నమాట. దట్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఆర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్యాటర్న్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డైజెస్ట్ ప్రాపర్లీ, full characteristics. Appudu you can confidently you can take a position, make a profit out of it. Okay, sir, it's almost over. Let's close the. Okay, bye sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.